Right, this is a plastic nut from an action camera mount. It's got a split in it there. So I've been asked to make an aluminium one. Right, I've got a piece of alley in the lathe. I'm going to turn it down to size first. I turned plenty down. Right, now I've turned down the overall size. I'm now going to try and turn it a little bit smaller, about 2 mil up, to create the lip. Right, the next thing, I shall put the little chamfer on this end in there, and then I shall be knurling there. Right, so I've cut the little chamfer there. Now I'm going to knurl there. Right, I've done the knurling. Next thing now I'm going to do is bore the hole through and then tap it. Right, I've bored it out. What I've got to do now is put a 20 mil tap in there. Right, I've tapped in there. Now I'm going to set up the parting tool, cut it off. Right, so there we are. One replacement aluminium action camera mount nut.